In the Trust Barometer 2023, we've observed the move from division to polarization. People have become entrenched in their views. Ideology has become identity. We see that this happens when there's low trust in government, a torn social fabric, and a sense of unfairness in society. The most important finding from the 2023 Trust Barometer is that business is the only trusted institution. It is both significantly more competent and more ethical than the other three institutions. This puts an enormous responsibility on business to continue its important role in solving societal problems. There are four forces that determine trust in institutions, and the most important is the state of the economy and your confidence in economic future. This year in the Trust Barometer, we found across the board a collapse in economic optimism. Part of that is attributable to disappointment. Coming into 2022, we thought it was going to be a great year. We were getting past the pandemic. We were going to be able to travel again. In fact, we had the Russian invasion of Ukraine, interest rate rises, inflation, cost of living issues, COVID lockdown in China, and climate shocks. Force number two is imbalance between institutions, particularly between business and government. What we see in democracies is that business is highly trusted and government has very low trust. Force number three on trust is the mass-class divide of opinion. What we've observed over the last decade is that the top quartile of income has a soaring trust level in its institutions. Meanwhile, the lowest quartile is stuck in the land of distrust. One of the great legacies of the pandemic is the loss of belief in quality of information and in the truthfulness of experts. CEOs need to continue to lead on societal issues in which business has comparative advantage: sustainability, wages and reskilling, diversity and inclusion. By 6-1, our respondents said, we want business to do more and not less on these issues.